The Jesus movie, and I get a Jesus movie.
How do you know those are movies?
Because they're hard.
We saw an advertisement for the Jesus movie, and I was trying to remember if Sarah was going to bring that or not.
I bet that's Curious
Because I wanted to see it
George.
myself.
What's in there,
It
David?
would be a gift to me.
I think it's Curious George.
Is it?
Oh, it's the Jesus movie.
The Jesus movie! Oh, I want to see that!
Did you get a Bible video, David?
We watched for worship tonight.
Turn it around. Turn it around. What is
the
that?
birth of Jesus, and they advertised that.
Wow. Let's see what Megan got. What is that?
The music machine.
Music machine. Do music machine.
Yes.
Remember that CD you got?
You'll like
It
that.
goes whir chicka chicka dum dum.
Oh, it's not the same as Toby or Kobe.
Choo choo. We'll have some new videos on Sabbath now.
Yeah, I want to see the Jesus movie with you.
Me too.